Are you looking for safe and comfortable transportation near you in Glen Rose, TX? Well, during this COVID-19 outbreak, traveling in public transportation can be hazardous for your health. Book a taxi ride from Texas Yellow Cab and Checker Taxi Service. It is one of the most reliable and licensed yellow taxi service provider in Glen Rose, TX. They are famous for providing convenient and comfortable transportation at any time, anywhere in Texas at affordable fare. There you can avail 24/7 store-to-door transportation with on-time pickup and drop facility. Their fleet of vehicles are fully air-conditioned, clean and sanitized after every ride to ensure passengers' comfort. They have a team of trained, experienced and courteous drivers who maintain all kinds of safety precautions. They always follow shortcut routes so that you can easily reach your destination on time. So, stop wasting your time. Book your ride now. Dial 817-676-3702 or email at contact@bigtexascabs.com or browse through https://bigtexascabs.com/. Call /WhatsApp/Viber/Telegram at 817-676-3702.